An elderly man got very angry at a group of riders just because he didn't like them driving in that area.
Are we bothering you?
You have something else to do?
Here, we'll,
This is my backyard.
Sorry.
You guys going up and down and up and down.
Do you want us to leave? Do you want us to leave?
No, you do whatever you want. I'll just do what I do.
Okay, we can just leave. I guess we pissed him off.
You just need to go.
You're telling me to go?
It's as simple as asking us to fucking
Yeah,
leave,
that's
dude.
it. You don't have to come up here and take pictures. Just tell us to leave. Do you live right here?
You do whatever you want.
We're not on your fucking property. We're not in your fucking yard. It's not fucking noise pollution. 'Cause it's not after
Exactly. You
10.
can just tell us to leave. Do you need to come and take pictures? That's all you need to do. Then just tell us to leave.
If you don't mind, dude, we're just gonna leave.
Okay, good.
So do you have to be weird? You have to be that fucking weird asshole dude?
I'm a weird asshole dude now?
What are
Get
you
off your
doing?
bike.
Huh?
I'm a weird asshole dude?
Why are you
Get off
being
your
weird?
bike then.
You're the one taking
Why are you sitting here taking pictures? Why are you being weird? We can just leave and you can be cool.
You won't leave. You're going to keep driving.
Do you know that? You don't know that, do you?
I don't know anything.
I know, obviously. You got a fucking mark on your head to prove you don't know shit. We'll see you later, asshole old man. Mwah.
This biker was cut off by a reckless Karen who not only gave him a middle finger, but even tried to aggressively swing at him.
Oh, beeping at me. I wasn't
Because
in
you
the
changed
lane.
lane and you didn't
was in the
signal.
wrong lane. I did
Look up your
signal.
number plate on YouTube, I'll make you famous. That middle finger's going to be all over the internet.
When he reminded her to signal, she passed dangerously on the inside, turning normal traffic into a pure chaos.
Drive around terrorising people like that.
Terrorising?
Yes.
You turned in front of me without looking and without signalling, and then you stuck your finger out the window at me.
Because
The
you're
appropriate thing to do would apologise.
intimidating me.
I'm not intimidating you,
Yes,
I'm a
you are.
vulnerable road
You
user,
are
and you nearly knocked me off by driving into my path. It doesn't matter, you still look and you still signal. Calm down or you're going to cause an accident.
This biker quickly lost his patience with the careless driver, and after that things escalated quickly.
Slam your brakes on. Don't stand up, I'm technically brakes. Yeah, pull in. What's the problem riding up my girlfriend's ass? Why the f are you riding up my girlfriend's ass?
Somebody go, why are you doing
I don't give a shit.
I don't get
If you have somewhere to be, drive safe. She's L plates.
She was driving at 20 miles.
She has L plates, you fat. This is all on camera. I don't go. It's all on camera. Go for it. Go for it. No,
I'll be showing the police what you were doing.
this is on camera.
Well,
Go for it. I dare you.
because you were doing wheelies and all down the road.
No, I wasn't. I was on my pegs.
Yeah, you were doing all them up and down the road, so I'll make sure I get you too.
Go for it. I don't care.
So, well,
It's all on camera. Do what you want, love. Don't ride up my girlfriend. She's got L plates.
I didn't go right up her.
Yes, you did. I watched you. There are speed bumps on a f***ing hill. And she is on L plates, you moron. You're lucky I didn't do your f***ing mirror, you
Tension rise after the silver car didn't let anyone pass. After what the driver begins to yell, blaming the biker, until another rider steps in.
Huh? I'm not worried about the police. You cut me off.
How would you come behind me? Are you a
No shit, that's how you cut people off, you stupid bitch. Look at this guy right here just saw you too. Why are you acting like a fucking idiot? Yeah, I'm alright. She's going off on me, trying to hit me.
Yeah, I'm a biker, man.
I appreciate that, man. She's saying she's calling the cops on me because...
I saw the whole thing.
Yeah, I got it all on...
You over twice.
Yeah, I got it all on camera.
I was behind
Hey,
you.
I saw
And
it
you
too.
cut me off. You wouldn't even let me
No, I
get
didn't.
over. You wouldn't even let me get over.
Why are you so mad?
I wasn't behind you at all.
And so you
I got it on
didn't
video.
let me get over.
Yeah, we got it on video.
I got everything on video.
Okay, how about this? We pull right there, we wait for the cops. How about we pull in there?
What's got to do with anything?
I'm black too. Take it easy, man. Appreciate it.
This biker fell off his bike, but the man approached him and helped him get back on his feet. This is just a reminder for you guys to always help the others.
Graag. Ja? Oh, dat gemakkelijk met z'n drieën. Ja, gaat het? Zit iets vast toch, hè? Ergens? Nee. Ik weet nog je dingen. Ja, dat maakt niet uit. Als het met jongen goed gaat. Ja, misschien kunnen we een stukje naar voren rollen, dan kunnen we de auto's erin schuiven.
Je hebt ook nog je wandelstok, dat zie ik al.
Even kijken.
Dat je wegzet. Zo van midden op de... Oh ja, ik zou reden van de kant. Dan moet je opzij zetten.
That's it from today's video. Remember to ride safe and to stay safe on roads. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.